Master designers, tonight is a big event in Master Designer and Dragon Ball history. Tonight, we're gonna draw Grand Zeno's true form. When the biggest crisis arrives to terrorize the entire timeline omniverse, Grand Zeno appears. And reveals his true form. I'm right here. Yeah? I'm in the middle of something. Anyways. Grand Zeno's first true form first appeared in Anime Wars. And he transformed into this powerful form when he took on Lord Archon. I'll be up in a few minutes, Camille. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There's a few information you must know about Grand Zeno's true form. He's got the true power of Ultra Instinct and the powers of an Omni God. My idea of how this came to be was when he trained Goku and Vegeta to obtain the powers of an Omni God, while fighting alongside a gang of other allies. For starters, Naruto, Deku, Monkey D. Luffy, the members of the Seven Sins, and Hunter x Hunter. Citizens of the Timeline Omniverse, if you're watching this, you are to be in awe of the greatest warrior that has ever lived, the creator of the universe himself. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, what is Land of Giants?
Land of the Giants is an hour-long American science fiction television program that aired on ABC for 2 seasons beginning on September 22, 1968, and ending on March 22, 1970.
Alexa, what is the Giant Claw?
The Giant Claw is a 1957 fantasy film starring Jeff Morrow, Mara Corday, and Maurice Oncom. Global panic ensues when it is revealed that a mysterious UFO is actually a giant bird that flies at supersonic speed and has no regard for life or architecture. The film is 1 hour and 15 minutes long. The movie has a rating of 4.6 out of 10 on IMDb based on around 3,800 votes, and is rated approved.
Alexa, what is Chased by Dinosaurs?
According to Wikipedia, Land of Giants and the Giant Claw,
I'm almost done, Mom.
Chased by Dinosaurs in the United States are 2 special
That's for
episodes
Dad
of the
and
nature
Pablo.
documentary television series Walking with Dinosaurs. Created by Impossible Pictures and produced by the BBC Natural History Unit, the Discovery Channel and ProSieben, The Giant Claw was first broadcast on December 30, 2002, followed by Land of Giants on January 1, 2003.
Alright, now we draw the stars. They're part of his divine being. Alexa, play Big Bang Theory.
To control
Alexa, play Big Bang Theory theme.
Here's Big Bang Theory theme by Bare Naked Ladies on Amazon
Here are the
Music.
stars that surround his body.
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the
And here's the line,
Neanderthals developed
this aurora that surrounds him.
science history unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang. Since the dawn of man is really not that long, as every galaxy was formed in less time than it takes to see a song. A fraction of a second and the elements were made. The bipeds stood up straight, the dinosaurs all met their fate. They tried to leave but they were late and they all died. They closed their asses off the oceans of Pangea. You wouldn't want to be a set in motion by the same big bang. It all started with a big bang.
Here we go. Yeah. I'm in the middle of something. I'll come up as soon as I'm ready. There we go. Just gotta have a few more stars.
Australopithecus would really have been sick of us debating how we're here. They're catching deer. Religion or astronomy, it all started with the Big Bang. Eyesight and astrology, it all started with the Big Bang. It all started with the Big Bang.
Alexa, play Big Bang Mission.
Super
Yes,
Dragon
Camille?
Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme.
I'll
by
come up
Nora
as soon as I'm
Jan
done.
On Amazon Music.
An episode.
Sorry, I'm having trouble. Please try in a little while.
Episode of your
Yes, I am.
thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes, okay?
Got it.
Alright.
Alexa, play Big Bang Mission.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Miura Jan on Amazon Music.
Let's add a few more stars. And done. There he is. This is Grand Zeno's true form. The great Omni King. The creator of the timeline Omniverse. The one who created all these magnificent beings. All these great beings that have lived in this Omniverse for a long time. We would like to thank him for that. He created all of this. Wow, Trunks was right. Time really has evolved. It's never gonna stop. Alright, everyone. That is how you draw Grand Zeno's true form. I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what interesting character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.